This is zucchini, and I'd like to see how far they like this up. Okay. I have 3 zucchinis here, a big zucchini, and I'd like to give a try how much they like in this one. Okay, guys, let me see. What? Let me see. Wait. Okay, my God. That's how they liking it. Wow. I put the other one on just on my legs, and then see somebody's eating back and front of me, and then another, and this guy's here for this too. Wow. Okay, guys, wait. I cannot just hold it. Very heavy. Yes, that's how they liking it so far.